Did you know you can add iPhone Dynamic Island to your Android phone? Yes, you don't need an iPhone for this feature. With a simple app setup, your Android can show cool animations for charging, music, calls, notifications, and more. This dynamic island trick is completely free, and the best part is you can use it on almost any Android device. So no matter what Android phone you are using, try this free trick and give your device a fresh new look. This is my Android phone, and as you can see, it is running an older Android version. But don't worry, because we can still add an iPhone-style dynamic island feature to this phone. This trick is not only for the latest Android devices. Even if your phone has an older Android version, you can still try this setup and give your mobile a fresh new look. So no matter what Android phone you are using, this free dynamic island trick can help you get cool animations. Now open the Play Store and search for D-Notch. Here you can see many different dynamic island apps available for Android. But to get the same dynamic island style that I'm showing in this video, make sure to install the same app I'm using. This will make the setup easier, and you can follow my steps exactly without any confusion. After installing the app, open it. Now the app will ask for some permissions. To make Dynamic Island work properly, we need to allow the required permissions, like notification access and display over other apps. These permissions help the app show alerts, animations, charging status, music controls, and other Dynamic Island features on top of your screen. So carefully allow the required permissions one by one, and after that, we can start customizing the Dynamic Island style. After completing all the required permissions, you can now see the dynamic island on your Android phone. From the app settings, you can also change the size, position, and style of the dynamic island according to your screen. You can move it slightly up, down, left, or right, and adjust the width and height if needed. But in most cases, the default settings already match your phone screen properly. So first, try the default setup and only change the size or position if it doesn't fit perfectly on your device. Now let's check whether our dynamic island is working properly or not. First, play any music on your phone. Once the music starts playing, you should see the dynamic island animation appear at the top of the screen. Here you can see the music status, and depending on the app, you may also get simple controls like play, pause, or next track. Now let's see what happens when we receive an incoming call. As you can see, the dynamic island is enabled at the top of the screen, and it shows the incoming call alert in a clean iPhone-style animation. And if you miss the call icon will still appear on the dynamic island, so you can quickly notice that you have a missed call. And we can also see that all dynamic island animations are working smoothly. When you receive messages, charging alerts, incoming calls, missed calls, music notifications, and other app notifications, everything appears nicely on the dynamic island. So guys, now it's your turn. Try this cool free dynamic island feature on your Android phone and comment below about your experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Android tricks and tutorials. So guys, that's it for today's cool Android trick. If you want to try more features like this, comment below and let me know what you need. I'll try to make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to Tricks and Tutorials for more useful Android tips, tricks, and future videos.